sign today, you feel a heightened sense of balance and a strong desire for peace in all areas of your life. This is a day to embrace your diplomatic nature fully and to smooth over any rough patches in relationships. Your charm and sociability are at their peak, making this an excellent time for personal and professional interactions. Focus on creating harmony in your environment and seek beauty in your day-to-day activities. Use this transit to reassess your personal goals and relationships, ensuring they reflect your ideals and true sense of justice.